Hello. Today we are seeing how to install themes from the Microsoft Store. So let's start.
So first here, go to settings and then go to personalization and then go to themes. And then here, click on Get More Things from the Microsoft Store. And here it will open the Microsoft Store. Then check into the theme section, Windows themes. And you can see all of the themes that you have. If you want my theme that I have, just search Pride 2020 flags. Pride. Here is it. Pride 2020 flags. And you can open it and you can click on Get. Once you click on Get, you will open the settings and then select it right over here. And of course, if you want other themes, you can just go back here. Just go back and get another theme from all of these ones. If you like them, just like them. I like this one. Yeah. So here, this is how you add themes. Install themes from the Microsoft Store.
Subscribe to my channel, Windows 10 with a panel. Tips and tricks you'll find here. Come on, join, don't disappear. Updates rolling out today. Mastering goes in every way. Tutorials to make life easy. Stay with us, don't be queasy. Windows 10 Master, here we go. Learning quick, we'll make it flow. Everything you need to know. Watch us as our channel grows.